Hey everyone, welcome back. Just wanted to do an update on some of our plays, and just want to do a quick update on futures trading. I haven't made any updates on our futures trading because I haven't taken any trades this week. Dealing with some stuff in my personal life, as you guys know, you're not supposed to mix emotions in trading. I'm keeping it light for this week. I'm sure next week we'll be back to a regular scheduled program. But in the meantime, I did want to share some of the plays that I have been putting out. I have been focusing more on some overnight plays, some multi-day plays, and uh, been crushing it, to be honest with you. I just want to be clear about something. So these plays that I'm showing you, I'm not picking and choosing which plays to show you here. I'm showing you all of our multi-day plays. They just happen to all have done well, except for the CRE puts, KRE puts that I put out. We haven't had a bad or a losing multi-day play in quite some time. Now, obviously, that's going to change, and I will show you when trades do go bad. I think that's important. But I just want to be very clear about that. I'm not picking and choosing to only show you the winners. It just happens to be that we've only had winners in the multi-day trades for quite some time now. I'm going to get into a play that was sent out to our premium. Actually, all three of these plays were to our premium group only. Again, just another reason for you guys to join. If you're not ready to join yet, I do suggest that you like and subscribe to the video so you can keep getting notifications on the content, as well as join our free Discord in the comments. I'm leaving a link to the free section of our Discord where you can at least get involved in the chat and kind of see that, hey, we are for real. This guy does know what the fuck he's doing. Anyways, they're going to get into a multi-day play I called out. So this was not an overnight play. This play was about a week. I called this play out on March 6th around lunchtime. So let's go back to the chart here for March 6th. So here's March 6th, and here we can see right around lunchtime is when I called it out. So here's where we entered, right around here, around 1630. Actually, 1632 is, I believe, right where I called it out. As you can see, this play never went negative. Not really. I mean, maybe a few percent for maybe 10 minutes or maybe a couple hours or so. But we never went deep in the red on this play. It just continued um, uh, to shoot up pretty much. On this play, we had two different um, opportunities to make profits. I did call out a profit point here. So we ran up here and we had about 25% profits here. I said, hey, you can sell off and buy back in here on the dip. And then we had another 30%, actually probably a little more, but I called it out at about 30% on profits again here. And then I said, again, you can buy back in on the dip here. And then we had our third opportunity. Did I say two? Really, three opportunities is what I called out in the Discord. We had our third and our biggest opportunity here was to enter or stay. Like I said, you could just stay in this play the entire time, and you would have had about 75% profits when the hood opened. And I said, hey, look, there's probably going to be some profit taking here after this huge run up. It's probably a good idea to secure some profits. Although I do think that we're going to continue up higher in the short term and medium term. It's always a good idea to secure profits. So see profits, take profits. So we had another great play on Hood. This was a multi-day play. I always ask for feedback in my Discord. Um, a lot of my money I make day trading. A lot of my plays were initially day trading, and I recognized that wasn't feasible for the majority of people. So you guys kept saying, "Hey, give us some overnight plays, give us some multi-day plays." So I've been delivering that, and I've been very, very happy with the results. The win rate's been astronomical, and I'm looking to keep it up best I can here. So another big win on Robinhood, just playing that crypto type run up. And I do want to give a shout out to Bitlender, my partner Bitlender. If you guys don't know Bitlender, he's the man. Guys been doing it for a while. Been in Bitcoin since single thousands, so single thousands, maybe less. I'd have to reach out to him about that. I can't remember what time I had. I just know it was a very low number. He's been in tons of coins. So he goes by Bitlender Crypto, but he does have some great stock plays as well. So we do throw those out in our Discord for our premium members as well. And one of the plays he threw out was Hood. So what I'm going to start to do is I'm going to start to look at his plays and the plays that I think that, because he throws out a lot of stock plays, that I think we can piggyback off of and are good option plays. I'm then converting them into option plays as well for some of the swing traders, so we can take some of those gains and amplify them. So this was the first play. This was I'd give that a shot for Robinhood. So again, 30, 25, 30, and 75% gains. That's triple digits if you know how to math. And very, very happy with how this play turned out. We're actually going to be looking to possibly jump back in. Technically, the play's still open, although I was very kind of firm about taking profits, and you can see why. We've already dipped back down, and we may bounce off this trend line here, bottom of this trend line here. But it's always good to secure profits, guys. We're here to make money. We're here to secure profits. I can't tell you how many traders have an issue with, hey, my play was up 40%, but I wanted more, and then I held it, and it did this and went red, and take your profits, guys. Next play I want to get into is Tesla. So we called. And this is a little bit abnormal for me. Usually I will trade both ways with the market. So if I'm calling out Google calls, I'm probably not going to call out Amazon puts too, because if you've been doing this for any length of time, generally the market moves together. So for me to call out Amazon calls and Tesla puts, it was unorthodox. So atypical. It's something that doesn't happen a lot, but it worked out great for us. Amazon calls, or we'll start with Tesla. So Tesla's been showing extreme weakness. I saw that I was kind of trying to find some support here around this 166 area. But I also knew if it did not hold this area, that we were due for some more pain. That's exactly what happened. So full disclosure, we got in here around 10:20. I think it was about 10:24. I did see us go up here, and I said, "Hey guys, let's cut it for now." But as soon as we head back down under 166. I want us to re-enter the play, because I don't want to miss the play. So I ended up taking about a 10% loss on these puts at first, but we made it way back as it dropped about 60%. Actually, I think a little bit more on these here with Tesla. So we made back our 10%. And way then some. So If a play starts going against you, don't be afraid to get out of the play and take the small loss. But don't sit out and miss out on the actual play that you're looking for, because that, as you can see, they went got the weak hands out, and if they said, oh, it's just going to come back up again, no, maybe it does, but then you get out again, and you know, you don't want to miss out on the play. This is what we were looking for. We were looking for weakness under 166, and that's exactly what we got. And then at about 3 o'clock, I said, "Hey guys, I don't want you guys holding these overnight. I do think a little bounce is coming. If you look at the well, I won't get into all of that. That stuff I kind of keep for the premium group. If you're interested more on why, join the Discord." Big money on Tesla. Anytime I get over 50% win in a day, that's a big win for me, and it's really a big win for anybody. So good win on Tesla. Now on Amazon, we actually got in Amazon in the same time. There were actually two opportunities to make profits on Amazon. So here we got in Amazon at about 10. Same time as Tesla, so about 10:24. So I was looking for us to break this 178, so we got in around here on this candle, and this thing blew up for about 25% profits here. I told you guys to either take profits or set a trailing stop loss, so you would have stopped out somewhere around here with profits. Came back down again, and you had another opportunity here for about 25% gains on Amazon as well. So you had two opportunities to play the calls here as it broke this 178 level, one of which I called out in the Discord as an actual alert. Yeah, good money, good day. These were the only plays from today. You had your hood calls for big gains. You had your Tesla calls for big gains, and Amazon for very good gains. You know what I mean? Decent gains. 25% gains is A-okay in my book. Anyways, that's really all that's going on. I can't remember if I did my futures update at the beginning of the video. There's really not much to update. I guess I did. I didn't make any futures trades the last few days. I think I did like a little small trade and made a few dollars profits, or our account probably looks maybe $100 or so higher than where we last left it. But just an update on that. I also am now self-funded as well. So I do have about $2,500 in that account, and I'm going to start trading with that. I'm not going to go with the big contracts at first. Again, I'm going to take this very slowly. I just want to see profits. I want to see how the contracts move, and I don't want to lose all my money either. It's only $2,500, but it's still money. And I like to win. You'll be seeing a lot more of that come next week after I kind of tackle this bullshit that's going on in my life right now. So, anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. If you like the content, like and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys next video. Thanks for watching.